Hey guys, have you ever sublimated telephone cases? Well, that's what I'll be doing today. Here are a couple of designs I did. And right here, I will be opening up the sublimation telephone case that I purchased from Amazon. The phone case itself is plastic, but it does have a metal case that you could sublimate on. Right here, I am just removing the plastic covering that came on the case. I cannot tell you how many times I've sublimated on an item and it had a plastic covering on it. So make sure you remove the plastic covering. Now I'm just cutting the design out. And I'll be measuring the metal plate onto the design so that I can sublimate onto it. In total, there were 4 cases in the order. And in this video, I've only used 2. Right here, I lint rolled the metal plate because it did have a few lint spots on there. And right now, I'm just pressing both the plates with my heat press. They look good. So I'll come back with the results. So now here we are. The phone cases have cooled down. So I will be taking off the paper now. Never realized how much tape I put on these items. I put the tape on there so that you don't get any ghosting, but it's just hit or miss. You could tell by my face I did not like the results. It's a lot of ghosting. So I'm just trying to remove the paper, and here are the results. It's okay, but it's not as bright as I wanted it to be. Yes, that's me. It's amazing what a little makeup can do. This one is okay. I think I'll use this one. Thanks for watching. And here are both the cases. Let me know what you guys think. Would you sublimate a phone case? Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.